feel like a passive when wanting to start again? Do you ever feel been so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already very deep, 6 feet under screens when no one sees to hear a thing? Do you know if there's still a chance for you when there's a spark from you? You just got it now.